Hello everybody and welcome to the Dr. Robian Show. This is Dr. Robian number 2, is the other half. So, right now we got a bunch of Burger King. We're gonna eat a lot. We're gonna eat a lot first. And we're gonna see who can drink the most beers.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk.
Do you really have to bring up the Burger King?
Yeah, I did have to bring a Burger King.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah. The game is how much can we stack on Damien's face while he's sleeping, passed out drunk, with the can still.
I can't get these to stay on his head because they just keep falling off.
His ear.
Dude, you put that upside down, bro. You have to open it.
No, not yet.
I want to open it.
Wait, hold on.
Someone's coming down here.
Big ol'
Shit. I'm sure the sound, dude.
Hurry up.
Yo, damn, yo.
It's supposed to wake up.
The lights here, bro.
Oh, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Not gonna lie, I'm kind of pissed off.
Cross circles, bro.
I'm actually very pissed off. This has ruined Zesty sauce for me forever. I'm never eating Zesty sauce again. That burnt my eyes a lot, but I'm more pissed off.
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
Kinda look good with the side shave.
Fuck. That burns so much.
I gotta open up a beer for this one.
Oh.